You are all welcome to this press briefing. I want to start by apologizing to all of you for the delay, for keeping you waiting for such a long time. As you are all aware, we had to do things right. We had a number of things that we needed. We needed to cross T's and then dot a lot of I's. Fortunately, we have concluded the preparatory process for the primaries. And right here with me are the local governments and the agents and the returning officers for the entire state. Because of the political tension in the state, we decided to be very careful, very methodical, and very, I would say, meticulous in ensuring, in doing it. As party men, peace is more important to us than victory. We want the kind of victory that will be celebrated by both parties. We want victory that will be credible. A victory that will be in line with the guidelines, extant rules, laws of this country, and that is what we have done. We are ready to go to the field and execute this. And we want to do it in a very clinical fashion, so that at the end of the day, we will not be accused of partisanship. Lagos is very important to us. It is the flagship of the APC, and will continue to remain so for years to come. And so, in doing everything, anything that has to do with Lagos, or in conducting any affairs, we have to do it with a very tender heart. We have to do it with a lot of circumspection, with a lot of objectivity, and, of course, with a go for show that you all live. It should be the showpiece for the rest of this country. That is what we have done, and we are ready to go, to hit the ground running. In the next few minutes, I will contact the national headquarters and tell them specifically that we are done with the preparatory process, because you know, just like INEC, it takes a lot of work, backroom work, for the main show to take place. It's just like the programs you watch. You are all media people. There's so much work you do behind the scene. We watch programs, and people just think it's all about something happening there. So much preparation goes into it. I used to be a journalist myself, so that is exactly what we have done. We are ready to give you the most credible election in the history of Lagos State, and gubernatorial elections, primaries, and that is what we are set to do. We will contact the national headquarters for further directives as to the timing of release of materials, considering the time that this process has been concluded. It was not our fault at all that this exercise had taken this long. In fact, in some states, elections have been moved, like in Adamawa, to Thursday. Tomorrow is just Wednesday. We're waiting for the state chairman of APC to provide certain information that would enable us post people. And we told you, because we had two aspirants, we needed to be fair to both parties. That information came in barely an hour ago, and we had to struggle through this period to at least balance the equation. So now that we are ready, like I said, we will contact the national headquarters, and we will all be informed exactly when to release the materials. Excuse me.
there was an election today, sir. And why are you here and not at the APC secretariat? Thank you.
Well,
and why did you just wake up 2 o'clock?
Yes. Listen, please.
Excuse me.
Please.
After 5 o'clock, checking people for
Please.
granted. People are jobless.
Excuse me.
Please.
We only recognize journalists. Raise your hand.
Excuse me.
So wait a minute. We recognize person. Wait, ask the question.
I think they should call it off. We held a stakeholders meeting. Certain decisions, certain submissions were made. On the basis of those submissions, I contacted the national headquarters. The national headquarters asked the committee to adjust the procedure in line with the demands of the preponderant position. Now, having done that, we now had to reach out to the party executive to submit lists that could be utilized for the purpose of posting officials to supervise the elections. Those lists only arrived about an hour ago. And so anything that was done without the list that we wanted, because we wanted harmony. And I told you, we are more interested in harmony than in victory. So we had to wait for them. There was no way I could have gotten up at 8 o'clock, sat down in this place and waited for almost 9 hours without anyone, in fact about 10 hours. Call it about 8-9 hours without getting anybody, and then I go ahead and do something. That is what, that's only real. It is only fair that when you don't see one party, you have to wait and be patient. And that is what has brought us to this point.
Mr. Chairman,
did
you make any contact?
I made contact.
Did you make any contact with the other?
Yes. Listen. Hold me. Okay, listen.
Did you make contact with the aspirants?
Yes.
That there wouldn't be an election?
Yes.
So that they could have told their supporters
Yes.
not to go out.
Yes.
When you told us there
Yes.
wouldn't be an election,
Very good.
told us.
Good.
Did you make any
We had a session with the representatives of both aspirants here,
They were here.
and it was on the base they were here. The both aspirants had their representatives here as early as 8 o'clock. We gave them an appointment, and at that meeting, we all discussed some of these modalities and asked them to bring names of people that from both sides, parties, agents, so that we could use for this exercise. That's what I'm now telling you, that we received from one party a list about just an hour ago.
Fantastic.
And at one point, they brought a list for 7 local governments out of 20. Later on, they came in about 5 hours later, they brought a list for just 11. Even the other 2 local governments have not been provided up to this moment. And do you blame me? Would you have expected us to take 7 from one person and 20 from the other one? No. Would you expect us to take 18 from one and then 20 from the other? No. This is all about fairness. This is about equity. This is about integrity. And I think that it is, at the end of the day, it was better for us. What we did was best.
There was no election. When did it take place? There was no election at all. Yes.